Welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this Equity Weekly Market Commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues, the upcoming week is busy with US economic data and earnings results. Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and Morgan Stanley will close out earnings for the big banks. The blackout dates are in effect for the Fed, so it will be quiet until January 26th FOMC meeting. With financial markets pricing in over a 90% chance that the Fed will rise rates in March, the Treasury yields appear to be forming a range just below the 1.80% level. The US market will be closed in observance of the Martin Luther King Day, so that there will be less volatility opening on Tuesday. Checking out the domestic cues, investor sentiments were hit as a recent report from the United Nations predicted India's GDP at 6.5% in the financial year 2022 from its earlier forecast of 8.4%. Passenger vehicle sales on Monday, so that auto stocks may expect a volatility. Investors are concentrated on budget-related stock bets. So the major results of this week are HFCL on Monday, Bajaj Finance Just Dial on Tuesday, Bajaj Auto, the telecommunication on Wednesday, Bajaj Financial Services, HUL on Thursday, Bandhan Bank, HDFC Life, JSW Steel, Reliance Industries and SBI Life on Friday, ICICI Bank on Saturday. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's see the technical analysis. Nifty may expect a profit booking rally on higher levels and this week range in between 17,885 to 18,467 ranges. Bank Nifty may expect a negative range bound trade in between 36,339 to 39,388 ranges. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's move on to see the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 19,000 strike and for the put side is 18,200 strike. Overall, 800 points band and the expiry is on 20th January. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has flat with Nifty positive close compared with the previous week, which shows huge call buying. India VIX has settled in 16.56 and when compared with the previous week, it had ended low, which shows decreasing the volatility. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Praj Industries above 402, the target is 425 with the stop loss 378. Buy Chambal Fertilizers near 471, the target is 500, stop loss 442. Coming to the F&O corner, sell Bank Nifty future below 38,080. The target is 37,900 with a stop loss 38,260. Based on the option strategy, long strangle buy Bank Nifty 38,500, call option above 315 and 38,300 put option above 335. The 20th January will be the expiry. Total buy premium is 650. The target is 800 with a stop loss 450. Now let's see the institutional activity. So according to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 4,002.94 crores and for the January month, the FII net sellers were minus 2,920.11 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net buyers were 3,629.03 crores and for the January month are 6,922.31 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more market updates, join the Telegram channel and the YouTube channel. Thank you by Sky Broking.